Hi, it's me again, Trish Juliano, and welcome back to our complete AutoCAD training course for 2D and 3D. And for today's lesson, the lesson 17, we're going to continue the layer, and this time we're gonna make roof lines. Okay, so we are still in the command layer, and we will draw the roof line. But I noticed that it is better to use the layer roof instead of roof line because the roof line has dashed line pipe, and for the roof it has continuous line pipe. Okay, although we will use the layer roof, we will draw the roof line. So in this handout, so this is the roof line. So this one, this, and this, and this, and this. So those broken lines or dashed lines. And we will use this as our reference. Okay, so let's go to CAD. Okay, so this is our previous file, and we will draw roof line in this one. So from our handout, let's go back to our handout. This is the roof line, the second line from the top. Okay, so we select this and we choose the roof line. Okay, as you can see, the line is broken because it is dashed. So we will make it into, we will convert this into roof layer. Roof. And, okay, roof. Okay, so notice that our line now is continuous. So the guideline now, so this was the guideline earlier, and now it is converted to roof layer. And let's go back to our PowerPoint. So this is also a roof line, and this is also a roof line, and this also. Okay, so we go back to CAD and we will convert this into roof lines. Okay, so this is it, and we have this and also this. And now we are going to convert all of this in roof. Okay, and from our handout, so this handout, we have these diagonal lines. This diagonal line is okay. So we do that in CAD by making construction lines. So we just need to type, we will select the roof layer as our current layer. Okay, so to make the construction lines, we just type XL, and then before we specify a point, we need to make it into angular. So type A, and then our angle is 45 degrees. Type and okay, so it is like this. So so in here, we put this in here, and only there. Okay, so we will place it in the intersection of these two roof lines. And now we draw another construction line, and then we select again the angle, type A, and then our angle is 315. Okay, so now we will place this in the intersection of, again, two roof lines. Yeah. And from this handout, we have this horizontal line. So again, we will make a horizontal line in here. So type XL again. And then select horizontal. So type H. And then we click in the intersection of these angular lines. Okay, so now we can clear all the excess lines by using the trim command. So type TR, enter, and then we can enter again to select all. And then now we're gonna um, trim all the objects, unnecessary objects. And let's look again. So how does it, okay, it looks like that. So we need to trim those. So trim all the excess lines. And okay, so mm, we have like this. So we also need to um, draw this roof line also. So based from our drawing here, from our firewall, uh, we have this is 3 meters up from this firewall to the left, 3 meters, and 4 meters to the left again. So we will use this as reference. So we will offset this line. So which line? Okay, so the rightmost line. So we will offset this line, type O, then we specify the offset distance, which is 3, and offset again. We will specify the offset distance. Now it is 4, and then we select this line again, and then click on the left side. Okay, so now we have these lines, and from our handout we need to offset it by zero point 0.5 to the left of this post and zero point 0.5 to the right of this post. So again, offset, and then offset distance is zero point 0.5. Then now we're going to select it, and okay, now this line, we're gonna convert these lines into roof, just like these other lines. Okay, let's try the match property command. So let's try the match property command to convert this into roof lines. So type MA, and then we select the source object. We select the roof line that we have made earlier, and then we go to the destination objects. So the objects that we're gonna convert into roof line. So these are the objects. Okay, then press enter. So now these lines are, the firewalls are converted into roof, roof line. Roof line, we have drawn roof line, but we use the roof layer. Okay, and then now we're gonna uh, trim all the unnecessary lines. TR, enter to trim, and then enter again to trim all the unnecessary lines that we need to trim. Okay, so we also we will erase this because this was our these two lines are our guide earlier. So delete, and now in the command line to draw these lines, so these diagonal lines again, we need to make construction lines again. So type XL in the for construction line, and type A for angular, and we input 45 degrees, and we select this line and this line. Okay, so to make this copy to the other side, we can use the command mirror. So we select this line and type MI for mirror, and then we select our mirror line, first point of mirror line, and then the second point of mirror line. So erasers object, of course, no. And after that, we will make another intersection line or construction line, this time the vertical one. So that's it, that one. So XL, and then we type V to make it vertical, and then specify point, the intersection of this point. And now we're gonna trim all the excess lines. So TR, enter, and then enter again to select or trim all the unnecessary lines. Okay. We're gonna trim it one by one. And also this one. And this one. Okay, let's go back to our guide, the handout. So it should be like this. Okay, so it now looks like a roof line. So now we have our roof line, and this is the finished product. So we turn off the guidelines, and now this is our roof line without the guidelines. Okay, so from our handout, so our roof line is like that, the broken lines in here. And now we will save this file. So click this AutoCAD icon and then save as. And then we can name it as floor plan to the after roof line. After roof line. And click save. Okay. So this is the end of our lesson 17. Thank you for listening.